Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. If you have been wondering how you can trade Jump 75 successfully, or looking for a better way or a better strategy to trade Jump 75 successfully, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you best trading strategy for Jump 75. Okay, Jump 75 is an asset that works almost the same way like Volatility 75, and you can make lots and lots of money with it. If you have been watching my training on it, you'll notice that I've been milking the markets with it, so you guys can also milk the market with it if you understand the way it works. Okay, so in order for you to understand how it works and how you can trade it successfully, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I will be sharing with you everything that you need to know to trade it successfully. Okay, so before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, more especially within the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice on demo account first before trying whatever strategy I will be sharing with you on live accounts. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so before going fully into that, if you love my videos, feel free to give me a like and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Okay, because I usually upload a training video like this every day. Okay, so there is no way you will stay updated if you are not a subscriber. So just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly we will be going into the market right now to see what is happening in the market before we go into our training properly today. Okay, so let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. Okay, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. I'll be starting with Boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator. Boom 1000 has been on a very strong uptrend, and it's still going on an uptrend. So this is 1 hour time frame, so it is still more of uptrend than downtrend, although trying to come back, but it has not been able to break the support level successfully. So that is why it's not been able to go back on downtrend. So at the moment it is still going on uptrend. So let's check out Crash 1000. For Crash 1000, this is also 1 hour time frame. I'm using the crusher indicator. As you can see, the downtrend started from here. It started from right here, and it has been going down and up, down and up, down and up. Okay, this time around is still on downtrend. Okay, so for those of you that would love to trade it, check it out. It is still on downtrend. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Okay, this is Crash 500, and I'm using the NT indicator for this, and it's been on a very strong downtrend starting from here. Okay, there are little uptrend in between, but right now it is still on downtrend and might be getting to this support level before there will be a pullback. Okay, let's check out what is happening with Boom 500 using the QDC scraper indicator. Before Boom 500 is been on uptrend. The uptrend started from here. This is 5-minute time frame, so we can easily use it. The uptrend started from here. Okay, it started from somewhere here. Yeah, on this yellow line. It started from here, and it's been going up. And the trend is yet to come to an end. So that is the way the market is for today. Okay, make sure you do your analysis very well before you continue with your trade. Okay, so even though it is at a support, at a resistance level, it is around the resistance level, but the market is still on uptrend. It might sell for a while, but we still go back up because it is yet to get to this resistance level. So I'll make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Okay, and you can also make sure you follow the instruction guiding whatever indicator you are using. Okay, this is the indicator. These are the I've only analyzed the market using the indicator you see on my screen. Okay, so we'll be stopping there with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have for today, which is best trading strategy for trading Jump 75. And remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so. So let's go straight to the market to check out what is happening with Jump 75 and how we can trade it successfully. Before we go fully into it, I want you to know that Jump 75 works almost the same way with Volatility 75. So if you are very good in trading Volatility 75, then you should be able to milk Jump 75 successfully. Okay, and it is an asset that can give you a lot of money within minutes. Okay, if you know your way about it, and it can also take away your profit and your capital from you if you don't know your way about it. That is why you need to learn how to trade it successfully and how it works. Okay, it is also a trend trading asset. Okay, it is also a trend trading asset, which means if you are very sure of the trend and you are sure of your support and resistance level, then definitely your entry point and exit point will not disappoint you. Okay, so that is just the way it works. So you guys should always take note of all this so that you can have successful trading journey. Okay, so I'll be taking us through the journey right now so that you will understand things you should look out for before you place your order. Okay, so for instance, like I said, it is a trend trading asset. So the first thing you should look out for right now, I'm having my QDC scripper indicator on the chart. The reason for using this is because it shows me everything that I need to know before trading. Okay, it shows me within a glance. Okay, so I can easily take my decision with that. Okay, then another thing is that I'm having it on 15-minute time frame. So that is why I am on 15-minute time frame right now. So this is what I just need. Okay, I need to check down here. Okay, if you should check it out, it was on downtrend before. You can see it coming down right from here. Check it out, it was coming down right from here to this very level because it was on downtrend, but right now it has moved from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, so this is where it moved. It started moving from downtrend to uptrend right from here. Okay, from this arrow. Okay, so which means you can come in right here and place your order here. Okay, since the trend has already shown us that it is going back on uptrend, and we've gotten a buy signal on the main chart, and it is on the support level. You can see the support line. Then definitely you can come in and trade. Okay, you can come in and trade with this trend. Okay, so I'm going to teach you two things to take note of. Okay, you can trade that way. Always pick up your trade whenever you have your buy trend, because we are on uptrend already. So you pick up your trade whenever you have your buy trend and close it whenever you have your sell trend. Okay, you pick up another one right here where we have our buy trend and close it here. So how many buy trend do we have within this trend period? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see you can actually milk the market for a very long time using this strategy. So each time you have your buy trend, you can come in and trade. Okay, let's say you decide to come in right here and you traded to this level where we had our sell signal. This will give us 13 candles. You can multiply that by 15 minutes to know the number of hours you are spending in the market. That is a lot of money for you, right? It is a lot of money. This is the secret of my $4,000. It is also the secret of my $6,000 which I made while trading Jump 75. It is also the same secret which I used to make $2,000 live and direct before your very eye in my last video. Okay, so that is how I have been using it to trade this asset successfully. Okay, you can also exit right here. Then you can also wait for another opportunity to come in here and exit where you have your sell trade. Okay, sell signal coming up. Okay, this is 40 candles. Okay, 40 candles created already, so you can do your multiplication. Let's quickly do a few multiplication, a few calculations, so that we will understand how much time we spent in the market times 15 minutes. Okay, this is giving us 600 minutes. Okay, now divide that by 60 to know the number of hours spent. That is 10 hours. Okay, that is 10 hours being in the market for good 10 hours in pure profit, guys. In pure profit, isn't that amazing? That will have given you a lot of profit. Okay, probably $2,000, $3,000 within that period. You can see it going up, not going up and down, going more of up than down. Okay, it didn't come down like this, it didn't take a movement like this for hours. It took an upward movement for hours. Okay, that is sweet, right? But do you know that you can also trade this for a very long time? Okay, you can also trade this for a very long time. Check out this also went for a very long time. But when are you supposed to stop this buy trend? Okay, you stop this buy trend at this moment. Check it out. We've got our sell signal, sell trend coming up very soon, because this arrow is pointing towards down, and it's telling us to get ready for a sell, and we are waiting for the sell arrow to pop out. Once it pops out, then we should exit. We should follow the sell arrow at that particular time, because we might be selling for a very long time. But of course, if you have been doing a buy right from the beginning of this trend, you should close all trade right here. All trades should be closed right here, okay, for a buy. Okay, and you should be getting ready for a sell at that particular point. Okay, because any moment from now the market will be going on a sell. It might find it difficult to break it through out, to break through, because it was coming from a very strong uptrend, but it will definitely break through and go on a downtrend. You can check it out to see if this is true or not. Okay, so another way to go about this, that actually explains the other way to go about it. Okay, the other way is this is for those that are having enough trading capital, and for those that that now have confidence in their trading skill. All you just need to do is to wait for this trend. At the beginning of this trend, wait for your buy signal. Once you get your buy signal, you come in and you stay in the market till the end of the trend. This is the end of the trend. This is when you should exit your trade. Then you wait for your sell signal till you wait for your sell signal to pop up, so that you can go into the trade and sell for long again till the end of the trend. Okay, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. You guys can actually do this. This is just how I trade personally, and it has been helping me. It has been helping me to milk the market successful. I apply the same strategy on boom and crash. I apply the same strategy on all volatility asset, also on step index, and right now it is also working for me and even giving me more money on jump 75. Okay, so you guys can check it out, and you can also check my other videos out to see how I am picking up my trades live and direct. Okay, so you guys should take your time to study this video to understand everything highlighted in this video and practice with it. You can have this set up on your demo account. For those that are having, for those that are not having, then you might need to get it in order to set it up on your chart. Okay, so that you guys can also practice with it. So just set it up, use the same time frame I have used to explain. Set it up on your chart and take your time to practice with it. The more you practice it with it, the more you get used to this indicator and how it works, and the more you know about the assets you are trading, and that will give you more confidence to stay long in the market whenever you are trading, even on your live account. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is still coming down because the trend is changing into a downtrend. Okay, so this will definitely work for you if you know your way around it. Okay, so I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all about anything at all, about any of my videos or even my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and remember, I will definitely drop it in the description box also. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then,